Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we've got Pepe Coin. Investor makes $1.14 million in 4 days with a $251 investment. Now, I promised you that I was gonna, release some videos about people that actually made a lot of money with this, and this is now for you guys, to see. So let's dive deep into this one now. A new cryptocurrency named Pepe Coin launched this month has captured investors' attention. Pepe hit an all-time high of 0.000000. Okay, so we see here 6 zeros, 3 0 1 2 9 8 on Wednesday, and is up nearly 300% in the last 24 hours. Investors are accumulating the token in a frenzy, hoping that it could replicate Dogecoin and Shiba Inu's success story. More than 10,000 investors have poured in their money into Pepe, hoping to make a life-changing gains. One such investor bet on Pepe is now worth $1.14 million with an investment of a mere $251. The $251 ballooned to $1.14 million in just 4 days, showcasing that anything is possible in the world of cryptocurrencies. So here we have it, guys, absolutely going crazy. This is a reminder of what Shiba Inu was in 2021. Now, from meme to millions. On-chain metrics looks on-chain shared a transaction when an individual investor swapped 0.125 ETH worth to $51 to buy Pepe Coin for $251. The investor accumulated 5.9 Pepe coins and his price jumped automatically over the next 3 days. It deleted a zero on Tuesday and forged ahead in price after word of it spread through crypto discussions. So the $251 investment is currently worth $1.14 million. The investor profit now sits at 4,500 times from the time investment last week. However, the investor has not sold the tokens yet, despite his or her wallet ballooning to $1.14 million. So here it is, guys, all the evidence, all the proof. Now, the smart money is the luckiest guy I've seen recently. He spent $251 to buy 5.9 trillion Pepe 4 days ago. If he sells at the current price of, he will get a profit of $1.14 million, more than 4,500 times. Now, guys, this, in my opinion, is very, very interesting, okay? This is a replication of Shiba Inu of 2021, absolutely, driving these prices crazy up, taking people to the moon, making them millions of dollars. That, it was crazy, and I was very, very excited. I understand that at the end of the day, this is what cryptocurrencies can do. They have a massive upscale, and you should never, ever, ever sleep on these opportunities because they don't come along that often. But when they do, you gotta grab them with both of your hands and absolutely milk it. Take advantage of it. Because look, this is very new. Investors are going to be jumping in. Listings are going to happen. Many zeros exist on this, okay? So imagine zeros get eliminated. Listings happen. Investors pour in millions of dollars. This is a recipe of success, okay? So the next few days are going to be crucial. Let's see how it does. Let me know if you've invested. If you haven't, if you're planning to do so, engage, talk. Very, very important. And most importantly, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notifications bell. We're growing. We're joining. This is really, really big stuff, okay? So the next few days for Pepe Coin are going to be crucial, and I'm going to produce more videos about it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.